These you don't see often. This is an RPK, Russian prison knife, but it's a lefty, made for left-handed. It's called the dragon's tongue, because the tip of the blade is the dragon's tongue. Nice engravings on bolsters, carved dragon head with a red eye. Both sides are nicely done. You can see the dragon's tongue in there. I'm getting it focus here. Okay, and then left-handed. Real nice engravings on the blade. Both sides. Interesting blade spine. There's a little bit up and down, side by side. Not a deal breaker. Nice lefty. You don't find them very often.